Welcome back to another Stable Lease YouTube video, and I haven't got a jacket on. Finally, it's summer in the UK. Let's see how long this one lasts. But this is the gorgeous RS3 saloon Vorsprung. Now we're going to take a look at the cool features that it's got and some little changes that I would have made if this was mine. So let's get straight into it. Now then, isn't this gorgeous? From the outside, you notice this straight away. That's what I did when I came to the Audi dealership. This is in the Tango Red. It really does stand out. It's the metallic paint. It really shines, especially in the summer. Don't know if you can see, it's hard to see on the camera, but it blends really nicely with the black trims that you get all around the car, especially around the rear and the two oval exhausts. And we'll get onto that very shortly, but let's have a look at the front design. So then from the front, let's see the design. You've got the black logo and the black badging. That's really cool. That's blended all nicely with this huge black grille. Now it looks a little bit plasticky, but it looks mean. I love the design on the A3. I'll pop that on the top right. That's the brand new 2024 A3 design. That's quite cool. I do like the grille on that. You've got the black trim all around the LED headlights. You've got the plastic design as well, just next to the air intakes where the front parking sensors is. It's a bit of a shame that you don't get a black front splitter. That's in the Tango Red. Would stand out a little bit better, but it's cool with the extended wheel arches just on the side. So let's have a look at the alloys. Now then, these are the 19-inch 5Y spoke alloy wheels with a graphic print. Now these are really nice. You've got the RS brake caliper. Now that really does make it stand out and make it look sporty. But the question is, what do you guys think of the accents that you get on each spoke? Now you've got the grey and the chromy white kind of colour, but what do you guys think? Do you think it's a bit tacky and it looks like it could peel off, or do you think it's a cool design? Let me know down in the comments, because I'm still unsure, because it does look like you can peel them off quite easily, but they do give it a bit more of a sportier, cooler design. Forgot to mention that they are on all four wheels, not just for front two, so that may sway you. But you've got the black wing mirror, the black side skirt, the rear privacy glass, and you can notice it's got the panoramic sunroof. Now that's really cool. It does let in a lot of light, which we'll check out in a second. So let's go check out the rear. So then from the back, you've got the sloped roof, no need for the rear wipers, but from the standout, you've got the black tiny spoiler, looks really nice for the Audi rear. You've got the black logo, the black RS3 badge, and what I really love is the red part of the RS badge, and that really does stand out, really blend in with the Tango Red. You've got the cool texture design that's really consistent through the front and the back with the rear parking sensors. It's got a rear view camera, and not to mention, take a look at them huge two oval exhausts. Now we'll get onto power, but I really do love the design on the RS3 rear. So then let's hop in and have a look at these seats. Well, these are the leather seats that you get on the RS3. Well, you've got the RS badging, you've got the Alcantara on the sides, which is really nice. You've got this hexagonal pattern all the way down, and you've got the leg extender. Now these are electronically adjustable. You've got heated seats as well, and these are dead comfy, take it from me. And I forgot to say, what I would change on the seats is the red stitching. You've got the Tango Red colour. It would be really nice if you had the red stitching around the RS embossed logo and on the seats. But nevertheless, let's have a look on the inside. Now, another change I would is on the steering wheel. Instead, I would make it a flat bottom steering wheel. Just looks a lot nicer. But you've got the RS embossed. You've got the gear pedals behind it. A leather multifunctional heated leather steering wheel. Now this is really cool. Now you've got if you press view, you've got the different menus that you can change on the digital cockpit. Now this has got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you've got the RS as well. Take a look at that, and that's got different ones for viewing as well, and that's the RS button on the digital display. So how cool does that look? Moving on to the infotainment center, if you press onto car, you can have a look at the Audi drive selects that you get. You get efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic, but you also get the RS individual, the RS performance, and the RS torque rear. So that's so cool how the different options you get. Just moving down, this is where your heated seats is, and the aircon. You get the 2-zone climate control as well. Not to mention this has got the rear view camera like I mentioned, and you've got the gear selector and the red start and stop. Now this is really cool. You've got wireless phone charging and 2 USB-C devices. So this is a really nice interior. So then hopping into the back seats, and as you can notice, you've got the same exact seats as in the front. These are really sporty and really comfortable, but you do get the storage pack at the back, so you can hold your map book and any other vital information into the back seat. You've got quite a lot of storage in the back seats, not to mention you've got the Bang & Olufsen sound system in the front, back and in the boot as well, just on the top. That is really cool and it sounds awesome. But you do have the center armrest that's got the 2 cup holders. Bit of a shame because it's not as smooth, it's not got that cover on it, so it isn't as relaxed as you can be in the back. But as you can see, I've got quite a lot of space front and legs as well, which is always good for a family saloon. So then onto the boot space. Now a double click will open the boot just slightly, so it's nice and easy to open. Now with the seats up, this storage space is 321 litres, which is quite plenty. It's not that tall, but lengthways it is quite long, which is always a positive. So it's plenty of storage for your golf clubs, your shopping and any other vacation like your tent. But this is really handy and it is quite big for the saloon. Guys, this is the RS3 Vorsprung. Now this has got a top speed of 174 miles per hour, a 0 to 62 time in 3.8 seconds, 395 PS and 365 Newton meters of torque. Listen to this. So then I have to voice this last bit over because my mic decided to break during filming and I've only just realised. So I do apologise, but I hope you have enjoyed this beautiful RS3 review. It is in the Tango Red. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I love reading them and getting back to you. But until next Friday, we will see you later.